you would understand if I was fragile.
Hello guys, today we are making bhindi dal. Hope you will like it. And now let's start with the ingredients. Bhindi, onion, masoor dal, refined oil, salt and turmeric powder. First cut the onions. Cut ladyfingers. Now add all in a pressure cooker. After the oil is heated, add onions. Next, add musri dal. Now add ladyfinger. Next, add turmeric powder. And mix it well. Add salt. Add garam masala. And again mix the ingredients. Now add water. Here we have added 3 bowls of water. You can add water accordingly. Now cover the lid and let it cook till 4 whistles. The dal is finally cooked. With the help of hand mixer, mix the dal well. You can serve the dal in a bowl. Now dal is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to our channel. Comment below which recipe would you like to watch next.